MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader4. I have combined few indicators together to come up with this particular forex trading strategy that will make you money on a daily basis if you follow the simple rule and make sure you follow money management. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory and see if there's no news concerning any currency you want to trade at that particular time. It is important that you stay away from the news 30 minutes before and the 30 minutes after the news. Allow the market to settle down before you take any trade that particular pairs or currency. Better still, you can stay away from that particular currency for the day, because the aftermath effect might affect your result or your technical analysis. And before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory. As I have said, this particular strategy can be used on any pairs like Euro USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, Euro Japanese Yen, and the rest. You can use it on any pairs, and you can use this on indices also, like a US 30, US 100, US Tech, and the likes. You can use this on cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Doji, Litecoin, Ethereum, and the likes. So this particular strategy can be used on any tradable indices. This can be used on stock also, so you can trade any stock, either Google stock, Facebook stocks, and the likes, as long you have it on your MetaTrader4. And this particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I would like to show you how to use this particular indicators, these forex tools that I've combined together. Now let me show you how to use this. Make sure you follow me closely. Number one thing you have to look out for is this fractal indicator, this blue and red channel that look like moving averages. Make sure the candle close below the red color for a sell, and it must close above, the candle must close above the blue for a buy. And if any of this condition is met, the next thing you look out for is the second indicator here on the indicator window. Let me look for a setup so that we use it in order for you to understand it better. Here we have a cross. This candle close below the red fractal line here. This one close below. And when you check the other indicator here, we have this lime color bar below here, below the zero level. This is the zero level here. This middle line is below the zero level at this particular point, and here crossed below the fractal, we have the arrow also here for a sell. So at this particular point we can place our trade. This is a right setup for a sell signal or a sell trade. This is a right setup. So this is how to use it. This is below zero level, the lime color, for a sell. This close below this line, the candle close below, and we have the red arrow here for a sell. And if you want to trade again, if you miss the first signal here and you want to enter at another point, you can use this arrow also, since this is below the red line, the candle, and this still remain, the line color still remain below zero level. So you can place your trade, and your stop loss for the first trade will be here, the second trade will be here, the recent high before the signal was generated. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame, and here is it on the 15-minute time frame. And let's check it on 1 hour. Here is it on 1 hour. The strategy still remain the same. We have a buy signal generated here, close above the zero level, then this close above the blue line for a buy, then we have the arrow here, the white arrow for a buy, and this is a right signal for this particular indices. This is US 30 cash, and they will make serious money. The stop loss will be few pips below the recent low or the previous low here for a buy signal. And this is how to use it. So you can use it on any time frame. We have checked this particular strategy on 1 hour, 15 minutes, so you can try it out on any other time frame that you want to trade on. And let's check it on gold and see how it play out also. Here is it on gold on 1 minute time frame. We have a buy signal here generated here. It closed above the blue line, and this is above the zero line here, the bar here. This is a good signal for a buy, and for a sell signal it closed below the red line here, and then we have this below zero level. This is a good signal for a sell, though I enter very late for a few pips, and it's still running right now. And this is how to use it on the lower time frame. The rule remains the same, and this particular strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 only. You cannot use this on derived platform. So you can use it on any time frame you want. And if you want to combine two time frames together, you can do the same thing. If you check 1 hour and we have either a buy or sell signal, the only thing you will do here, for instance, on the US 30 here, we have a sell signal generated at this particular point. Let me demarcate it. At this particular point here, we have the two indicators in agreement with the arrow. It gave us arrow very early. So if you want to trade this particular signal, you only go back to either 5 minutes or 1 minute if you want to scalp in that direction, and the only trade you will take is a sell trade in the direction of the main trend. Since we have the main trend is in there, the main trend is down on 1 hour, then you will only take the down signal generated by the indicators. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It can be used on any time frame you want. Now let me show you the settings for all the indicators I use for this particular Forex strategy. The number one indicator I use is fractal channel breakout indicators. These are the values that I use for this particular Forex tools, and these are the value. Make sure you set it up, but never mind, I dropped the template for this particular strategy in my video description, so you can download it and use it so that you have exact chart like mine. And here is envelope here. This is envelope, the envelope indicator. This is the color that I use. This envelope indicator, the blue and the red line. And the last indicator I use here, this particular fractal indicators gave us this arrow, gave us this candle and this arrow, white and the red arrow. This is where I set it up. The up arrow is white and down arrow is red, so you can set it up or you use my template. And the last indicator I use here is this TFF_FS indicator. Here at the setting, the fast EMA is 8, the slow EMA is 15, and the signal is 5. Just make sure you pause the video and set it up, or you use my template. You are going to have the safety, and this is the color I use, and now I set it up. Use my template. You can just load my template, and you will have the same chart like mine. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy or indicators on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumb up. That's the only thing I need from you. And to download this particular indicator, check my video description and make sure you will see the download link there and download it. It is free. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers so that you will not waste your time, your effort, and your money trading where you will not be able to get your money out. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers. Check my video description to some of the forex brokers that I use and I've withdrawn my money, and I still use, and I do not have challenge with any of the brokers. Make sure you register with any of the forex brokers that I have used. Till I come your way again, make sure you practice every strategy on demo account before you go live. Make sure you know how to use the strategy before you go live. Make sure you learn it on your demo account and then master it. Get used to the strategy or indicator before you use it on your live account. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.